and thank you for watching my presentation. My name is Amber Walsh, and today we will be going over the Nike Better For It Women's campaign. This campaign was meant to help motivate women to work out. So let's take a closer look at the original ad. Let's first look at the design principles that were used in this ad. So the photograph used has a large depth of field, which means that nothing is out of focus. You have a center alignment. The contrast is found between the yellow and then the basic neutral colors of the background. The proximity comes from the word quotes being close to it and on top of the woman. This makes it so that you know the quote is coming from her. She's the one saying, "I better get an ab out of this." You also have repetition found in your typography, and we'll go over that a bit later. So the colors that were used. You have your neutral background colors, the grays, the blacks, the whites. Those are pretty neutral in order to have a strong contrast behind the woman's skin itself, and also the bright yellow behind the words. You also have your Nike logo and the Better For It campaign in the same color. Next, let's go over typography. Here you have a sans serif in all caps. Putting it in all caps makes it so that it's a bold, in-your-face message. Now, let's look at the new ad that was created and how it works with the original campaign. So, the design and color that I used for here is similar because I found a photo that has a wide depth of field, same as the original. I also chose colors that were pretty neutral, so instead of having a straight whitish gray background, I now have like the grayish black background, which is still putting the main focus on the woman working out. Color-wise, I've also got the bright yellow behind your words to make it really pop and stand out to you. I also have my logo and the Better For It in the same color. Next, let's look at typography. I also have a sans serif. It's not exactly the same one that was originally found. And another thing that's similar that I didn't mention before is the differentiation in size when it comes to the words. So as you can tell, I have slightly different sizing in order to make it so that the words all have a certain emphasis to them. There's also a proximity between them and the woman working out so that you know it's her who is saying this as well. There's also a slight center alignment to the words themselves. So they're almost on an axis where it might not all line up specifically, but it is all around one center pole, if that makes sense. So, thank you for watching. This was my presentation and the reasons I feel like the ad that I created would work well with the Nike Better For It Women's campaign. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.